Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sayote leaves. First, gather your fresh sayote leaves, ensuring they are vibrant, green, and tender. Wash them meticulously under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, carefully pick through the leaves, discarding any tough stems or yellowed sections. Finally, chop the cleaned leaves into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for the cooking process. To achieve tender and vibrant sayote leaves, blanching is a crucial step. Bring a medium-sized pot of water to a vigorous boil, then add a small pinch of salt. Carefully submerge the chopped sayote leaves into the boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes. This quick cook helps retain their color and nutrients. Immediately after, transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and preserve their crispness. Now, let's infuse our sayote leaves with delicious flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and half a medium onion, sliced, until fragrant. Add the blanched sayote leaves, tossing gently. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of soy sauce. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp and perfectly seasoned. Your delicious and nutritious sayote leaves are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while they are still warm. For an extra touch of flavor and texture, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some crispy fried garlic. These versatile greens make an excellent, healthy side dish, perfectly complementing grilled fish or any of your favorite meat dishes. They also pair wonderfully with steamed rice for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.